I just love the smell of onions in oil. So doing a soup, that's right. Knorr Ramen, I've been trying to do different things for moms, celebrating moms in May. And using Knorr Ramen, I'm thinking curry flavored, coconut flavored, with some corn. And I thought soup, curry, coconut, corn, ramen, soup. Work with me, let's start. So I have some onions, as I said, doing its thing. And I got some curry. And like, simply like how we do curry, we add a little water and create a nice little paste. So it's just to create that nice little paste. Smell all of that good, rich Trini curry. Once it's all mixed in, yeah, I add straight in to my onions. And you're gonna start to let that curry just cook off nicely, all right? Smelling good. While that's doing its thing, I have some corn. So not just doing, as I said, a ramen, but I'm really trying to add some layers of flavor. This corn is going to add another layer of flavor. That nice corn starchy feel, you're going to get to it as well. You know, think of corn soup, but think of curry. Amazing. So as the curry is cooking off, very important stage, allow the curry to cook off for just a couple minutes. Now it's time to add the corn. So adding that corn in there, I want to stir and get all the corn coated nicely with that curry paste. And now it's time to add some aromatics. I have some pimento peppers and I have some garlic that's going in first. So my pimento peppers could go in there. And to my garlic, so you know I normally use this guy. Kind of crushes my garlic perfectly. I want slightly bigger chunks this time around. So I'm going to take this garlic and not put it through my amazing garlic press, but I'm going to just go a little old school. Squash. And I'm really only doing this because I want slightly bigger chunks of garlic in this soup. I wanted to give off a little more direct flavor. Straight in there. Building the soup in one pot. And I want to add some good Trini green seasoning now as well. Smelling good. And this is just the base. This is really the most important phase. It's really building the flavor of the soup. I could add a little salt, seasoning layers, and pepper here at this stage. Boom. Pumpkin. Yeah, pumpkin going in now. And I can add the pumpkin in last because you know the pumpkin, nice, softer vegetable. And stir and get that curry coated. The vegetables releasing its flavor. It's now time to add some liquid to this soup. So this little packet normally comes in the Knorr Ramen, that little extra seasoning packet. What I did is I added 2 packets of these to create a nice little broth, basically, a little stock, nice flavored stock that I'm gonna add straight into my soup. So it's gonna get that ramen, that Knorr Ramen flavor right away there. I am now adding another layer of flavor, guys. This is coconut milk. So, as I told you, curry, yes, but we're doing coconut curry as the base of the soup. So to that, adding some coconut milk in there, full cup. Yeah, boy. Finally, I just probably want to add about, I would say about a cup of water. Just about a cup of water. All you want to do at this is just make sure that your coconut and all your vegetables and all the corn, all the vegetables covered. Stir nicely. Lots of flavor in there. Just for a little heat, your favorite pepper sauce. I like to cook with my pepper sauce. I don't like to add pepper sauce after. That's not me. I like to get a little extra layer of flavor and heat in what I'm cooking. So add a little pepper sauce, your favorite pepper sauce, in here and allow it to simmer and come to a nice boil. All the vegetables getting nice and soft. It's now time to add my ramen noodles. So I want to take my ramen noodles and just give it a little break. Nothing much, just a little break to go in there. And I'm going with 2 packets of chicken flavored Knorr Ramen Noodles. Great thing about Knorr is that there are so many different flavors. I'm using chicken flavored, but there's a shrimp flavored that I use as well as a beef flavored ramen. Just based on what you're doing and what type of flavors that you're looking for. Get that ramen noodles in there. That will take about 2 to 3 minutes to kind of just come together. And as that's coming together, my final touch is just a little bit of lemon juice. Don't know where Marilla get this fancy lemon from. If you have the rough lemon, you could use that as well. Just a little sprinkle. It just kind of livens up the soup a little bit. Just a little flavor of that. And my final touch would be just a little bit of chive and celery to the end. Mix that in, and in a couple minutes, we're ready to serve up this coconut curry ramen noodle soup with corn. Yeah, this is ramen with a difference. You see that rich coconut curry broth with the ramen noodles, the corn adding another layer of flavor. Just a little size for garnish and a little sample for me. Don't knock it till you try it.